Hey guys, this is Poncho with Happy Trailer Sales in Greenville, Texas. Today we're going to be doing a walk around of a PJ H7. This trailer is 102 inches wide by 32 feet long. It has a gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds. The empty weight on this trailer is going to be 8,000 pounds. That leaves us with about 14,000 pounds in carrying capacity. Let's start up front here with the coupler. This is a square bulldog coupler, 25,000 pound rating. The neck on this trailer is a 12-inch I-beam, as well as the riser. We see here this trailer comes with a front locking toolbox, and it also has hydraulic jacks as well. The pump for the hydraulic jack system is located inside the toolbox. Interstate battery. This is the external charger where you plug a regular extension cord into. And here is our 2-button remote for the hydraulic jacks. This trailer has several upgrades on it, one of them being this rough oak floor. It is a very durable, hard floor. If you do any type of track equipment, this will be a very durable option. Up front here we see a lockable chain holder. There's a tray on the bottom to hold the excess chain. This trailer also came equipped with a winch plate. Spare tire is located in the neck. All goosenecks come standard with a spare. This trailer comes standard with a rub rail, pipe spool, and stake pockets. So lots of options for tie down. For the running gear on this trailer, we have a set of Dexter 10,000 pound torsion axles. The tires are 235, 17.5, 18 ply tires. For the fender on this unit, it is a drive over fender made out of 1/4 inch diamond plate steel. They're rated for 4,000 pounds apiece. The inside width of these fenders is going to be 82.5 inches. Back here on the dovetail, this one is equipped with a 3.5 foot dovetail and the 2 flip over monster ramps. They can be locked upright position as this one here is. The great thing about these monster ramps is they will accommodate all kinds of wheelbases. So depending if you have a narrow track or a wider track, it'll fit just about anything. These ramps are spring assisted. Well, there's a quick overview of this H7. For more trailers like this or information on them, give us a call at 903-455-0855 or visit our website at www.happytrailersales.com. Thanks.